I don't think so. 12 years before Shakespeare received his 10% share, Oxford had purchased 100% of the Blackfriars mortgage to save it from bankruptcy. Records show that up until the very moment he walked into that door, both Shakespeare and his glovemaker father were deeply in debt. But right after he got his share, Shakespeare purchased one of the most expensive homes in Stratford. He left London behind and disappeared into his native village, and never lifted a pen to write a play, a sonnet, even one letter.
32 of 37 Shakespeare plays use a letter as a plot device.
It was a busy time. Repeatedly threatened with jail. He was the habitual tax avoider. In 1598, he was prosecuted for hoarding grain during a famine and reselling it at inflated prices. He pursued those who could not pay him in full for these staples and used the profits to further his own money-lending activities. The man who derided such practices in The Merchant of Venice? I don't think so. During his lifetime, neither he nor his family ever claimed that he was the author.
Even more convincing, neither this wheeler-dealer tradesman nor his relatives ever made 1 farthing from these plays. A cryptic inscription later placed on Shakespeare's monument was too obscure to be understood by the villagers who knew him only as a grain merchant.